Good evening, everyone. This is Kurt Crowley with WPHorde. We have got some more exciting news to show you about AI content that's going to be coming for WPHorde. So let me get right into it. I'm going to start sharing my screen here, and I'm going to minimize myself down here. So we've been going over a little bit. I've been showing you a little bit about AI content, the AI content creation process for WPHorde. Currently, it's still in development, but we're almost there. We're almost ready to take this live. There's a few things that we're wanting to change just a little bit on how it's working, and then we're going to make it live for everyone. So keep that in mind. So as normally what we're talking about, we're wanting the word count. When you set this, it's going to be around that. It's not going to be exact that. It's going to be approximate. Then you're going to enter in your main keywords, what you're wanting the content to be about. And then below that, we're going to have secondary keywords. And those are usually going to be quite a few more than just your main keywords. And the reason being, those are what supplement your keywords. They're usually around your keywords. These are your LSI keywords. And those are there to help the ranking process. And we're going to notice that we have the tags for AI and content. And of course, AI content is the category. We can then put in an introduction for you as well. This can be anything that you want. You can put spin text in here as well. So this is going to be going before your articles, or you can leave it empty. Totally up to you. Then, of course, this is going to be the outro that's on the end of your particular post. Now, this can be your call to action. This, once again, can be spin text full 9 yards. Or if you have set up shortcodes, you can work shortcodes into this as well. And then just a little bit further down is a extra prompt that you're going to be adding to the AI content whenever it's being written. You can set what tone that you're wanting here, and you can give a little bit more of information what you're wanting to drive home. And in this case, I want to drive home WPHorde. Now, of course, we're going to come back over here, and you're going to notice where it says rewrite. We can choose none, Word AI, or we can use Open AI to rewrite the content. Now, why would you want to do that? When you're creating a brand new original article, why would you want to rewrite it? Well, if you're posting to more than one blog, you can go ahead and then rewrite it, and then each individual post on those blogs are all going to be unique. Now, of course, we're also going to be setting up our daily post time. What time of the day do you want this post to go out? And you can set that here. You can also choose what model that you want to use, either 3.5 or 4, depending upon your budget and or what you like best. It's all of these are your preferences. And then the next is the status. Do you want them to go directly as published, or do you want them to go in as a draft so you can look at, edit, augment, change, anything that you want right here? So that's totally up to you. I'm going to use published. And then you're going to notice that we have images here. These are featured images that get posted along with the content, and we randomize it. We don't select them all. We randomly select one of these. You can add as many as you want on here, and every single time it posts, it's going to randomly select a different featured image. The last thing that I want to show you right here is the include FAQ section. This is the new big addition to the actual product for the content AI. And the reason why this is so special, it will be adding an FAQ section to your article if it's checked. But that's not all. What I'm going to show you here, and I'm going to come down to AI content. I'm going to come over to submissions. This is the latest one. I'm going to click on this one. You're going to notice we have the content, and then at the end, we have the FAQ. We're going to grab that URL, and then we're going to look up a schema validation. And we're going to make sure that what we have is valid schema for FAQ. Right here we go. We have valid schema for FAQ, which is very good for SEO. The reason why we know that it's good for SEO, anytime that you make an inquiry on Google, I'm going to put for SEO, People also ask, these are questions. Anytime that you have these and you're filling them out, you could be included into the people also ask, and thus getting you more traffic, more views, and everything else. Google raises you up because you're utilizing the schema, making it easier for them to include you in the search engine results. This is another huge addition to WP Horde. We are making this an extreme powerhouse tool to help you rank your websites, create content that makes sense, create content that is for your business or businesses or for your customers' businesses, because we have many different pricing models. We have ones, if it's just for you, not a problem. You got company, you got people that you work with, we can help you out with that as well. There's many different ways you can utilize WP Horde. Not only can we do set and forget, and that's basically what this AI content is. This is set and forget content creation. It creates it for you on a daily basis, post it to your blog utilizing your main keywords and your LSI keywords. Plus, if you check mark and include the FAQ, now you got the SEO boost from the FAQ as well. This is huge. So we are working, like I said, on a few more things. Once we get those done, we will be making this live. Everyone who has WP Horde right now is going to be getting it for the price that they're paying for right now. Once it goes live, 7 days later, WP Horde prices go up. Now, that's not a scare tactic or anything else. You could see, and I'm being transparent, everything is working as it should. It's working great. I'm just doing minor tweaks to make sure it's perfect, and that's what we're doing. So once that's done, 7 days later, price is going to go up. No ifs, ands, or buts, because the value of WP Horde just skyrocketed. But not only can you do the AI content, you can also do RSS posting. Find some RSS feeds about your content. Very similar. Come over to the settings. Once you go into the settings, you can put in your intro, put in an outro, put in the tags, choose the categories that you want it to go to, select the blogs. What is the status that you want it to go to? You can then also enable attribution. In other words, you're linking back to where the original post came from, not only with the URL, but also their name. The reason why this is very important, you are now doing a ping back, and they understand that, and that helps. It helps with, one, you're linking back to the authority of where that article originally came from. Keep that in mind. You could also rewrite the article that's in the RSS feed utilizing Word AI or OpenAI, or leave it as none. Once again, selecting the images. You're going to notice that RSS feed and the AI content are very similar in how they set up. Then, of course, if that's not enough, you can do one-off posts utilizing the spun content button, put it in the title, put in the content, choose whether it's a post or a page. Now, if you're doing the WordPress.com blogs, ones that are free, you can only do posts. There's no pages there. And then, of course, select your blogs. You can choose your webhooks. Webhooks will send this content as a title and content and image directly to those to that webhook, which can then send your message out to, let's say, your Facebook or your Twitter, and it's the content going directly there as well. You can include the tags, the categories. Once again, you can have it as publish, draft, and in this case, you can schedule these. These can be scheduled to go out to the blogs. And whenever you choose schedule, if you select more than one, it's going to randomize the start date and time depending upon the range that you set here for those blogs. So it's not all going to post at once. And then, of course, you can upload your own images here or then search an image using Unsplash, and we show you how to integrate Unsplash for free. They don't charge you anything for getting their API key. So this is WP Horde. Well, there's one more thing: mass post and page edition. You can create mass posts or pages on a single blog just by uploading a CSV. And then each column header is going to be an item right here that you can call in the title, or you can call into the body. Totally up to you. So that'd be item 1, item 2, item 3, item 4. That'd be column 1, column 2, column 3, column 4. That way you know exactly what piece of information is being pulled in anywhere inside of the content that you're pasting here. Then it creates them one line at a time. And it creates all those posts, and it creates all those pages. WP Horde. We're not done yet. Shortcodes. You can create your own shortcodes, which is nothing more than, if I'm going to click on edit, you're going to notice that I have spin text here. And inside of my spin text, you're going to notice where it says blog author. That is a variable. We have variables inside of WP Horde, such as blog author, blog URL, and blog name. So it's blog underscore author, blog underscore URL, blog underscore name, wrapped with the square brackets. And those are the variables that you can utilize here. Now, of course, with the RSS posting, and if we come over to the settings, you're going to notice that when you do the attributes, it's original blog name. In other words, are the originating source of the post. These are also variables that we have here. But we have shortcodes. We have the integrations to Word AI, OpenAI, and Unsplash. Guest posts. Here we go. Guest posts allow you to post on other people's blogs that have the ability to allow guest posting. So if someone was to guest post on mine, I would get an email stating there is a guest post to approve. They click here, they can click on to go view the post, and then come back here to approve it. They have to make sure that they approve it in here, because then you get the credit and it deducts the credit from the other person. That is how the guest posts work. So this is a full functioning system. WP Horde is made for content distribution, whether to a single blog or multi-blogs. The beautiful portion is we now have set and forget AI content creation. And as you read right here, increase the visibility of your website using video SEO, the benefits of embedding video on multiple sites. This is an article created by OpenAI through WP Horde. It is utilizing my OpenAI account. And for my YT rank boost, if I come over to settings, you're going to notice that I'm using GPT 3.5, and I am including an FAQ section. So there's like I said, just a couple of more tweaks, and we are going to be making this live for everyone. So I can't give you an exact date because I am testing every day to make sure this is working the way that I want it to, and then open it up, let you guys take a look at it, see what you think, because this is powerful. Once again, I want to thank everyone. Have a great night, and I will see you all next time. Take care.